Hello guys, so today we're gonna play Content. Yeah, watch my brother's video so you can see all the information. Because I'm not gonna upload the other video because wait. Okay, so I told you guys that watch my brother's video so you can see what I've been doing. Because I'm not gonna upload the other video because it's too short. I don't want you guys to get annoyed because it's too short. So this is my farm. Rate my farm. 1, 2, 10. Rate my farm. I just played this game earlier and I don't have anything that's too good. I only have beanstalk. Cat. Cat. Okay, that cactus is a little bit yeah. Yo, my friend joined. Hey, this is Nico, my friend. Yeah, this is my. Hey, wait, mobile. This is monster. And let's keep watching this. This is the recording. Here. Yeah, that's all. And let's ask my friend what is he doing in the garden. Wow, same as mine. Oh my god. Yung alin po? Pa, dyan yung ano charger. And tapos ito lang. Here. Ano pa? Okay, come. Yeah. Yeah, this is my farm, Nico. Yeah, this farm is for farm fire. Is it good?
Sticker na si Ate Gina may
Is it good?
Video ko may sila mo. Hindi na kailangan mo bumili sa ngayon.
Naman. Oh, di ko po alam kay Migo. 82%. Where's Nico? Oh, God. Nagana yung tao yung balita kasi nagana po yung my farm is fine. I'll be back.
Ano? Gutom pa yan. Kukuha pa na isang isaw yan. Pero pati yun na yan. Tingnan nyo. Oo ha? Umisa pa.
Guard!
Dalawang isaw ka pa ha. Tibay mo ha. Bakit pa niya kukuha pa ng palamig yan. Wala namang binayad. At dito niya na sinigula rin yung ano kung kaya ng tendero mo. Kaya niya sa kuya. Pinutunan niya muna kung magkano. Sabi niya meron pa siya.
Okay. Ready mo. Ready mo. Ready. Ayan, Daddy.
Dito ka ka dyan, mahulog ka.
Ah!
Dapat talaga sa mga ganitong tao,
Dad.
pasigat para makita ng mga kamag-anak niya. Mga kaibigan niya para maging proud naman sa kanya sa mga ginagawa niya. Sanay na sa mga ganitong modus.
Ready.
Ayun, kahit yung mga ibang tao dyan, may tutulong na may bayad pa siya o hindi.
Ate.
May mali rin yung tindero ko kasi inabutan pa niya ng sukli kahit alam naman niya wala inabutan kaso nasakit kasi siya na.
Limit.
Kasi sa mga ganitong tao, pinapasigat para makita ng mga kamag-anak niya. Mga kaibigan niya para maging proud naman sa kanya sa mga ginagawa niya. Sanay na sa mga ganitong modus.
Ready mo. Ika.
Ibang tao dyan, may tutulong na may bayad pa siya o hindi. May mali rin yung
Oo,
tindero.
pasag yun. O, tingnan mo. Ano yung kumakain?
Ayoko. Steve, bibigay ko na lang. Basta yung, yan.
Pig. So guys, for waiting you so long. I literally played outside because my friend wanted me to play outside. So, is this bamboo? Wait, shock? Let's see how much is this. Let me see how much. Bro, what the hell is mine? Oh my god. Chocolate bamboo. Miss Dragon Seed?
Yeah, why?
Lang, how much this worth? 346. Dragon Seed?
Let's go.
Bro,
Kakagat pa lang.
oh my god.
Hey,
Oh my gosh. Ano ka bamboo?
what a boy there?
Yeah, I have that too. How much is that? How much?
464.
160. Never mind. Yeah, I got anything to sell. I want to sell this. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. And we have the taco. What fruit? Nah, I'm gonna buy some. Show me the gear. Wala akong chicken jockey. Okay. Let's hatch it. What am I gonna get? What am I gonna get? I get a deer. A deer? Hey, I got a deer. Nah, this mine. Nah, bro, you ain't gonna punch me. You ain't gonna punch me. Yeah, my deer is mine. Yeah, what the? Very true. What? Not yet. Mm, yeah, I can see it. Mine is still not that done yet. Boy, can you water my ano? Can you water this coconut tree? Oh, here's your something good, please. Oh, me. Let me go to show me the gear shot. Okay, nothing. I'm gonna. Why? Ah. can you give me? Okay.
Hey, what? Coconut?
No. I need to get my coconut too big. Goy, na-water mo na tong coconut ko, Goy. So, natin sa... Goy, tulungan mo nga ako ma-water, Goy. Bumili ka na. Para ma-water ko na to. Yeah, yung 78%.
Bataran ko yan ko yan.
Wateran mo yung ano ko, coconut ko. Tinulungan kita wateran yung coconut mo. So, I think this is the end of the video, guys. Bye!